Hey, what's up? Welcome to DGen Ed. That's degenerative education, meaning none of this is financial advice. Just me having fun looking at charts like the chart behind me, which is of Rivian Automotive, ticker symbol RIVN. And so here I am recording this on Monday morning during market hours on March 25th, and the current price is right around $10.65, being down a little over 1% so far on the day. You can see that price action here. And so following up on last week's video, I did want to go over how I do think this might be actually looking quite bearish. The last video that I did put out, I pointed out this uptrending line, hoping that we would reclaim it and or hold above it. Can't remember exactly when I put the video out, but we did break below it and we did test it, got rejected from it, and have since pulled back. And so what I do see in the chart might stand out to you is this purple line here right around $10.55, which was the low on March 4th. And then we did get a lower low on March 14th, hitting 10.54, but closing above that purple line. And so what I see is a potential head and shoulders pattern with the left shoulder here, head here, and then we have just basically completed forming the right shoulder. So far having a low on the day of $10.57, so not quite being at that purple line, but just about there. So I do view this as being a head and shoulders pattern, and it might be breaking to the downside. And so from that, we can take a measurement from the top of the head here, coming down to that neckline. That represents about a $3 move to the downside. And then if I do move that over to the neckline with current price at around 1060, you can do the math. That would bring price down to right around $7.50, right around there. So, I do think that there is a lot of risk at this point. However, we haven't broken the level. We haven't confirmed by testing it and being rejected. So I don't think that this has been completed just yet with confirmation to the downside. So what I would look for is a close and hold above 1055, ideally moving above some levels to the upside. And if I do a Fibonacci retracement from the top here at 1364, coming down to the low here at 1054, the next level up is the 236, and that is at a price of $11.27. So ideally, we can reclaim that as support, but that is a pretty notable move to the upside. And so another way that we could look at this is by taking a retracement from the base here at 1054 up to the high here that was 1156. And so from that, the next level up is the 786. That is at a price of 1075. So ideally, we can at least close above that today, start to make our way up then to the 618 at 1092. But overall, I don't think this is looking so good. But, just like if we do take a step back, just like how, back over here, I was thinking, I wish I could have entered around $12 a share. Now with price well below that 1060, it's quite possible we will be seeing prices below $8 a share. So we could be seeing some great dip buying opportunities down there. But, it is also possible this pattern will not play out, and we could be at a bottom now. So do look for a close really below 1054. That is the lowest close we've seen since we've started to form this pattern. If we see multiple closes below 1054, I do think that sub $8 a share is possible. So do brace for that, do plan for that. But also keep an eye out if we do not close below 1055. This could be the bottom, and this could be a great dip buying opportunity before we make another attempt at this uptrending level, which could be around $12 or $12.58, these levels that I have marked here. So do keep an eye out for that. But of course, we do need to get above 1168. I can't ignore the green line here. So, do keep that in mind. But yeah, I'm excited to be adding on the dips. But if it does close below 1054, I'm going to be waiting for, below 1005 because I do think that will be happening if we are to confirm this breakdown. Sub 8 seems likely. But, those are just my thoughts. If you found them helpful, make sure you like the video, share your thoughts in the comments down below, and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Thanks a lot for watching.